So Connie asked a question about self-service trust you can do online. Does that work? So I think, Shadi, you and I differ a little bit on this one because
Okay.
now look, if you're one, if you're doing a lower price, and I hate to even bring that up because you're worth the full amount, but there are people who just are going to grind and grind and grind, and at the point where you're going to say it's too, you don't want to do it that cheaply, and they're not going to do anything. And I say to them, just get one, because at $500 out of 5,000 in the fees or 3,500 fees, it's not that much, but you can get it day one, get it done online. Now, sometimes they start online and realize how much work it is and realize they want an attorney to finish the job up. When I sell a house, I'll pay for my client to get a living trust. I'll say I'll either pay the online fee or that much towards your attorney's fees. So they can call an attorney and I'll pay the first $500 for a married couple to get it. Her question is, can she do it herself and record it? And I always say, well, if you're asking those questions, that's probably not the right service for you. What do you say?
Yeah, I mean, if the question is, do I suggest online self-service? Look, at the end of the day, if someone's not going to hire a reputable, medium priced, expensive, whatever you want to call it, trust attorney. I mean, look, I decided in my firm years ago, I wanted to be sort of the consigliere for my clients, right? If you watch The Godfather, I'm not like a one-stop shop. I'm not a trust mill. I'm not like churning out trust. When my clients sit down with me, I'm looking at a lot of things, not just their estate plans. I talk to them about insurance. I talk to them about property insurance. I talk to them about their adult children. We do full-fledged legal guidance for clients. So right. I've got a different model. I know it's not for everybody. So I'm pretty straightforward in my fee structure. I give it to them outright in front via email, so that I do that because if someone really is like, look, I'm not looking for a $3,000, $4,500 trust. I want a $2,000 trust. Or some people might be like, I had a guy I don't know, a couple months ago, he's like, I want a $950 trust. I'm like, definitely not us. I was like, definitely not us. Like, these are your other options. Perhaps I'm not going to say anything about what the legitimacy is of those options. So my take is this: there's enough business. I'm not worried about it. I want the right fit for my firm, and I want it to be the right fit for that person. So if they have a lower budget, they should definitely look at other resources. We are not the option for them. My only takeaway is this: I've seen time and time again. I've got 3 probates. I want you to listen to this little thing. 3 probates, separate probates. They paid the attorney $1,500. I'm probating all 3. I mean, different attorneys, but I found, I was like, oh, I'm curious, and I'm not trying to badmouth attorneys. Look, the person that might be doing it for $1,500, this is what they're going to do. They're going to give you an amazing plan, a plan that works, but then they're going to do this. Well, for $1,500, you know what, Bill, I'll transfer your home, but the rest is on you.
Right.
And of course, at the moment, you're like, yeah, I could do it. I'm going to do it. Yay. Look, I'm a prime example of that. I got divorced in my life. Oh, I'm going to do it. Oh my God, that was the worst thing I did. And then I ended up hiring an attorney to finalize my divorce for me. Classic. So now you should see me. I'm hiring. I don't do it myself. I don't do criminal law. I don't do business. My dad needed something, I'm like, here, Dad, call my guy, and I paid for it. It's just not worth it. But I learned the hard way. And that's my 2 cents. Can you go online and do it? Yes. But please just take this, because this is really important. It has to be signed and notarized properly. Don't think a will can be notarized. It's not. You have to follow the law. And then this guy calls me like, oh, guide me. I'm like, I'm not going to guide you to do it on your own. I charge fees to do it. You know what I mean? So he did the will, but he notarized the will, Bill, and it was invalid. That was another one of my probate cases. The mother was devastated. Her daughter was a year old, husband died, and we're probating things.